It is December 23rd, and the Christmas chaos has started. Me. Why? Okay, let's see it. Do you want to show us what you got everyone for their stocking stuffer?
Braun 800 tactical flashlight, 800 looms.
Nah.
It even goes from spot to wide angle.
Wow.
For covert operations.
We, since we're having Lexi and TK in our Christmas exchange this year, we decided to have everyone participate in putting something under $10 in everyone's stocking. Like, it is one of those items that we will all need and use and love, and it is a very dad-coded item, which I love a lot. So thank you. Everyone's gonna love it.
You're not gonna get one.
No, I want mine. Okay, we're headed to Paper Source next. I am so excited to give Jackson his watch for his birthday. I just need some wrapping paper and then a birthday card. Thank you. Hi, thank you. Here you go. Amazing. Thank you so much. Have a good one. Santa's stocking the stockings. Okay, I'm so excited. Jackson finally left. My dad just took a break. He's gonna like take a nap, watch TV, I don't know, whatever, in his room, which gives me the perfect opportunity to wrap all of my Christmas presents. I have so many and I haven't wrapped a single one. So we're gonna do a fun little time lapse where I wrap everyone's presents, starting with Jackson's and Dad's, since I'm currently living with them, so don't want them to see. I'm gonna wrap theirs and then everyone else's, and then we're finally done with Christmas presents, thank God. It's Christmas Eve. I just gave Jackson his Christmas present. He loved his watch. Can't find the video where I filmed the guy explaining how to wind his watch. I'm pretty sure Alicia has it on her phone, but she's not awake yet. So we're waiting for that to properly wind his watch. I woke him up with a donut and a candle in it, and we had a nice relaxing morning. He just took off and went to the gym, and my dad and I decided we're going to be very adventurous and make our very first sourdough loaf today. This is just something my dad decided he wanted to do, and you know what? I'm all for it. So it's a wild, rainy day outside.
Starting a new tradition.
Mm-hmm. like I said, since we're having extra people at Christmas this year, everyone is responsible for putting one thing in everyone's stocking, and it's supposed to be under $10. Here's everything I got for everyone's stockings. Okay, for the guys, meaning my dad and Jackson, I got them this multi-tool. Comes with this little holder. It's one of these mini multi-tools that opens up like this. It's very cheap. It was on Amazon. It's super mini. Their personalities are very similar. Like, they will figure out how to fix something. They're not the type of person to like call and have someone else fix it. So I got both of them these. Now for all of the girls, meaning Lexi, Alicia, and TK, I got all of them French pens. I feel like you guys probably know this. I'm obsessed with French pens. I think they are the elevated claw clip, just so sleek and so stylish, and honestly not that hard to figure out. Once you get it, like, you get it. So giving all three of the girls these. And then for my mom, something that is just so stereotypical mom is she can never find anything in her purse. It doesn't matter how big it is or how small it is, she can never find it. So I don't know if you guys have seen these, but they're those like purse lights. It's like a keychain that you hook inside of your bag and it stays inside your purse and it helps you find anything in your bag. So I got her one of these.
We're having a little wine night.
Guys, Lexi might save the day right now. If you watched the last vlog, you saw my nail catastrophe. I just spent so much money on this. And they're supposed to be my birthday nails. She has cat eye here at her house, and she has the like gel cure machine. So I think we're gonna try to do the gel ombre that I wanted. I can't believe you have all this. I could never trust myself.
Well, this looks a little bit
Gold?
Yeah.
I like it.
Okay.
Wait, Lex, I feel like such a fake ass
actually?
friend right now. What's your Wi-Fi?
Oh.
Lexi, it's so pretty already.
No, that's why I said I'm such a fake ass friend. That's crazy.
I actually do like it on there. We just need more.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, that looks so good, right?
Alicia.
Look.
Ashley, like, this is what I mean about Lexi's the fucking
She
best.
literally does it all. I don't know if you can I don't know if you can see it fully, but there's a little cat eye on my middle finger.
It's like
It
an
might need to be darker. It's Christmas. Ready?
Yum yum, get you some.
Good girl, Rosie.
There's a good girl, Weenie.
Turn around. Eureka.
There's a good Weenie.
Copy of.
Ah, yay! Let them!
Let them!
I love it!
They were starting to lift, so we didn't go long enough for a second.
So sweet.
It's so good! Look at it! I hope you like Dachshund.
Yes! Hope you look good. That is great. I love it.
I can like literally on the charcuterie.
I love. I know what this is. And I love.
Because you're on a jewelry kick.
I love it.
Wait. Shut up.
Cute!
That's so cute.
I love that.
For all the
open it.
rings.
Wow.
I want to see the
Jewelry
inside.
box.
Love it. Wait,
Wow.
that's such a good gift.
Is it a book or is it a?
Wait, that's sick.
It is a secret hiding
Yeah.
place. I love it. Thanks so much.
You're welcome.
This is what you do when you get old.
What is that? Comfy, huh?
I know.
This is from Ash.
Yeah.
Ashley, that's beautiful.
Yay!
A watch.
Pretty.
Wow. That's
Ash.
so
That's so
pretty,
good.
honey.
Yay, I'm glad you like it.
Thank you. I haven't had a watch in years.
I know, girl. It's
This
time.
is gonna be, yes.
I also got it in Japan.
I did not see this.
I know.
Amazon. What did you do before
Oh,
Yay! I like yeah.
Moops.
Oops.
Stop, I love it. It's the little like kiss lock.
It's a kiss lock.
Oh my god, that's so cute. Kiss love.
You're welcome.
That's a pretty bag.
Okay, now open your eyes, and now you can open it.
Oh my god, wait. Stop! My own. I was making such a thing about you taking your back. Oh my god. Wait, this is
Really, it's a
Yes.
special for me,
Yes.
so you take mine
Wait,
back.
oh my god, I'm obsessed.
That's really nice.
Wait, oh my god.
That's a nice
I love her.
Yay.
It's perfect.
Look at her.
I got her after you left. Perfect.
Wait, in Tokyo?
Yeah.
Longchamp?
Open. It's like a medium size.
Oh, what?
What? That's how that's how they are.
I had no.
And then you can fold it, like if you need room, and put it in another bag.
Yeah, girl. Drop it
Oh. Oh my goodness.
She's perfect.
I've
Isn't
never
it
seen
perfect?
one like that.
Look at her.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
You got a star.
No, but that looks too small.
Yahtzee!
Yahtzee, Yahtzee, Yahtzee. 5. Oh! It's okay, it's good. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday from all of us to you. Happy birthday, we really, really love you. Happy birthday, may all your dreams come true. Hey! Woo! Yeah.
Oh my god, you guys.
I know.
So many shoes.
Show the class. You're gonna have to clean your closet out.
Yeah,
that's a great deal.
Me.
Oh,
Sexy.
those are going
Just some
everything.
classics.
Yeah.
Business.
She loves those ones. She closed her eyes.
Stand on business.
Yep.
Wow.
Yep.